Hey guys, GPA Jesus here. Oftentimes, memorizing demand and price elasticity of demand, the determinants can be very confusing. This video will teach you 3 easy to remember acronyms to tackle this issue with, as acronyms are the key to economics. Now depending on your class, there are usually 3 or 4 determinants for PED. For some classes, we first have budget, time, and substitutes. So for price elasticity of demand determinants, you can use BTS. Does that sound familiar? That's right, it's the K-pop band. Does that G mean that guy who can speak English? I don't know. Okay. So the next acronym is for those classes that don't have 3, but actually 4 determinants they have to memorize. So in this case, we can use a BOT, as instead of just budget, time, and substitutes, for these other classes they might include luxuries and necessities. So now that we got that out of the way, let's go back to an old concept of demand. So for demand determinants, you can remember this is an acronym taken from Khan Academy. Tony, tastes, other goods, number of consumers, income, expectations. So with Tony, one way you could remember that these determinants are for demand is, if you haven't watched Endgame, pause the video, but Tony, Stark, dead. If you just remember Avengers Endgame, then you pretty much got it. For price elasticity of demand, since it's just 3 or 4 letters, then it's a lot easier. So you don't really need any of this, because you already know Tony Stark died, so that's for demand determinants. I'll have some resources on price elasticity of demand and demand determinants so that you'll be on your way to getting that A. GPA Jesus signing out.